Namaskar Odisha, this is me Madhusudan and your friends, and let's think out of the box. Let's start, how to say, and let's think out of the box, and let's get the ball rolling today, isn't it? So I'm so very excited to share today's experience, and just I thought let's create videos for casual, just normal, and I wanted to share my the experience, also today's experience. And my friends, actually it's a very, and let me start before start something. Let me greetings you. Have a lovely evening and have a very jubilant evening to you, my friends. So as you can see, every single I'm trying my level best to speak in English language. I'm not a perfect speaker, at least every single day, every single I'm trying my level best to speak in English language, isn't it? So I hope you can resonate with my video quality, my friends. As you can see right now, I'm outside the home and I'm recording, and I'm surrounded by nature, and I'm enjoying here with the very beautiful drizzling, right? It's very cool wind is going and blowing here. So my friends, today just normally I want to share the moment I face, the moment I realize that how much I have improved my English confidence and English communication skill and my spoken English, my friends. So very simple, my friends. I want to share my experience that today I experienced that moment. And my friends, I hope you are observing me that day by day I'm reducing the pillars I was using before, but now I am using very little fillers. I hope very soon I'm going to get rid of from all kind of hurdles and obstacles, isn't it? So today what happened, my friends, before communicate with the one person, right? I am going to share that person story, my friends. So before going to interact with them, I was thinking, I'm not good at English, I don't know anything, I can't speak properly, I can't speak confidently, I can't speak effortlessly. I was thinking before interact with them, that person, they belong to my state, my motherland, they belong to Puri, isn't it? So what happened? Earlier I was thinking, before going to interact with them, I was thinking that I don't know anything, when I'm going to improve my English communication skill, how much it will take time to speak in English language. But I got surprised when I interact with them, when I interact with that person, my friends. To be honest, definitely it was not so easy for me to share right now, and also I'm struggling. Still now I'm struggling a lot to speak in English language, my friends. I hope you can resonate. So let's buckle up, let's judge up, let's dive into the moment I experienced today, my friends. My friends, first time I interact with my, it is my first conversation with the people, those who are belong to Puri, my friends, motherland. And when I first time interact with them, that person, my friends, I got surprised. Oh my God. Means a lot to that person that I have improved a lot my communication skills. But I realized that I have developed a lot, I have improved a lot my communication skill, my confidence and all, isn't it? So I interact with them, that person, I think around 15 to 16 minutes, and what I learned, what I realized that from that person, that absolutely I'm doing great. I have to maintain consistency level, I have to maintain my rhythm, the pace I have right now, isn't it? So little bit I'm speaking very speedily, I'll reduce that pace, I'll maintain my tranquility. Okay. So first time when I interact with them, what I realized, that person was really under confidence also, to be honest, and they were hesitating to speaking, and they were requesting me through WhatsApp, Mr. Madhusudan, please, I will speak English and Odia both mixing. I'll bilingual through. I'll interact with them. I'll interact with you, Madhusudan. But I refuse their request. No. I'm not going to accept. Only we will speak in English. Then okay, he said, okay, we'll speak English. So my friends, what I understood that we are talking about that I can speak English and I'm not speaking regular basis. I was reading and watching on YouTube, but they were missing one thing, that speaking practice. I told them, Mr. Prashant, you have to use English speaking app so that you can speak confidently regular basis. And also he accepted that yes, I'll try my level best to speak in English language, and I'll use applications, right? So when I was speaking that person, while speaking that person, I was realizing I was experiencing new, the new moment. It was new moment for me, that maybe people are ready to speak with me nowadays. People are getting interest, to speak with me, interact with me. And I got surprised. Oh my god, many people, many messages from Instagram, requests from the other social medias I'm using. So I'm getting inspirations from that person also. They are getting inspirations from me, they are getting motivation from my videos. Oh my god, I got surprised. Also later I realized that, oh my god, OMG, I have to maintain my tranquility, I have to learn this language anyhow, because many people, they want to learn from my videos. Many people, they are expecting, and who is stating about that, are you conducting any courses, I said them, no, I'm not conducting any courses. Just I'm indulged with this language, and I want to enhance this language. And also later we discuss lots of incidents, lots of moments we face in a life. They also belong to middle class family, they also belong to poor class family, right? So what I learned from that person, that they have a confidence, they have a eager to learn this language, but they are really hesitating to speak in English language, and they are little bit low motivation. But I promised them, I said them, Prashant, see, no one is perfect in this world. We are heading towards perfect? No, we are heading towards improvement, isn't it? We are heading towards improvement, not towards prove ourselves, isn't it? So we interact with them at least I think 15 minutes. I have already shared that. And what I learned from that person, that really with the help of language, with the help of this language, we can do better something for our family member, for our society, for our village, definitely. So in this video through, I'm trying my level best to speak in English language, my friends. So always remember, my dear friends, my dear YouTube member, don't think that this speaking journey, the language learning is not very rocket science. No, you think that just it is just like walk in the park, just like piece of cake, isn't it? Then only you'll be able to speak in English language, to be honest. So I try my level best to share my my feelings right now, what I learned from that person, that we must have eagerness. Without your eagerness, with the help of your patience, everything. And always remember, my friends, sometimes also I lose patience, but always you maintain patience. Also I'm maintaining my patience, isn't it? So every single day in this way I'm trying my level best to speak in English language, my friends. I hope you will get something from this video. It is just like motivational videos I made when I got inspired from others. So thank you so much for watching these videos. If you really like this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and have a great day. Namaskar again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.